An object applies a force of 100 Newton on a surface of area 2 meters square. What is the pressure exerted by the object? Anugrah, what is the equation to find out the pressure, Anugrah? What is the equation to find out the pressure? Anugrah, are you listening to me? I'm asking you. Tell me, unmute and tell me what is the equation to find out the pressure. Pressure is equal to, we learned one
100.
formula. Huh? Pressure is equal to? No. Vinayak Joseph, what happened to your video or on the video? Nicola Mary, what is the formula to find the pressure, Nicola?
Force by area on which the force is acted.
Yeah, okay. So this is our equation. Pressure is equal to force by area. What is the force in this, Vinayak? What is the force is given in the problem?
100 Newton.
Yeah, 100. What is the area?
2 meters square.
2 meter. Okay. Now you can find out the pressure. Okay. Find out and tell me what is the
50.
pressure. 100 by 2. Very simple,
50.
no? 50. What is the SI unit of pressure? Saiba, what is the SI unit of pressure?
Meter per square.
Newton. Newton per meter square. Not meter square. Newton per meter square.
Meter square.
Yeah. Or we can write it Pascal. 50 Pascal or Newton per meter square. Okay. Write it down, all that. Then we got the next problem. Okay, can I change it, children?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
before we go to the next problem, I would like to ask you some maths. Then only we can do that. Jeff, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter, Jeff? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter?
10.
Jeff.
10.
10.
100.
100. What is value? 1 meter is equal to 100. Jeff, you don't know it. Joseph on the video. Why are you switching off? On the video, all of you. Joseph, Christo, Aksan. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Correct?
I said
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Correct. And 1 meter square is equal to how many centimeter square?
200 centimeter.
200.
200 will come?
200.
1000 centimeter.
Yeah. 100 square. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to ask you, if 1 meter is 100 centimeter, then what is 1 centimeter?
1 centimeter.
10 millimeter.
10 millimeter?
100 millimeter.
100 millimeter.
100 millimeter?
1000 millimeter.
1000 millimeter.
1000. My question is in meter, not in millimeter. In meter.
0.1.
Point.
Point
1.
1.
1 centimeter, 1 meter, 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 centimeter will be what? Is it 0.1?
No.
Point
2. Point 2.
2.
Point 2?
Point 2.
0.2. See?
0.1. Point 4.
1 by 100. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100. According to that is 0.01. Okay, how many said 0.01? Yeah?
Ma'am. 0.01. Ma'am, 0.01 meter.
0.01 meter.
meter.
Okay, I agree. Now in physics, if you take 0.01 and all, it is very little bit difficult to multiply and all. So in physics, we don't write always in 0.001, 0.01. So it is too much.
should write.
So what we do means easy method. We converted that into powers. That means 1 centimeter is equal to 100 means how many powers? 10 to the power of?
1000.
10 to the power of 1000 is 100.
No.
10 raised to? 10 raised to?
2.
10 raised to
10
2.
raised to 2.
Yeah. So,
No,
yeah. Physics, we do 1 by 10 to the 2 and we make it to, this will take into numerator. When we take into numerator, what will become powers 10 to the power of? Integer you studied in 7th standard, no?
Yes.
What is that? 10 to the power of?
100.
Huh?
In maths,
100 where coming. You take 10 to the power of square to numerator. What is going to be? In integers
It
you
will
have
be-
learned. 10 to the power of?
It will be the
10 to the power of?
Will be the
Multiple. Alan,
1
me.
square.
Via, you all are very poor in maths, huh? I'm telling you. 7th standard seventh standard integer you studied, no?
Ah.
If you take this 10 to the power
Yes,
of 2
ma'am.
in the numerator, what will be happen to 10 to the power of 2? You take this into numerator.
yes.
Yes, Allah. But give me the answer. You say yes,
Raised
yes.
to 2.
Oh.
10 to the power of?
Raised to 2.
10 raised to
10 raised to 2.
Reciprocal.
10 raised to 2. 10 raised to 2.
10 raised to 2 or 10 raised to negative 2? Tell me.
10 raised
10
to
raised
9.
to 2 negative 2.
Negative 2, my dear. Negative 2.
22.
Yeah.
I said 10 raised
So,
to negative 2.
here 10 raised to 2. That is in the denominator. You are taking 10 raised to 2 into denominator. It becomes 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Okay. I
Yes,
give
ma'am.
another example. Another example. You will tell me that. Okay. Another one.
Yes, sir.
1 pi.
Yes.
Yeah. Write it down in powers and then give me 10 to the power of how much? You write it, no problem. We can learn some maths. Then only
Yes,
we go
ma'am.
to physics. Then we go to
100
physics.
square, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ah.
Square.
100 square. Yes.
Why can't you make it into powers then? Powers of 10.
Powers are.
Powers of 10.
Powers of
10. Don't
10.
say 100 square. Say 10 raised to what? We don't
Yes,
want in
10
100.
raised to
10 raised
Yes,
to?
sir.
10
3.
to
10 raised
negative
to
4.
10 raised to
4.
10 raised to
Negative
4.
5.
negative 4.
Negative
How many
Negative
zeros? How many zeros are there?
10 raised to negative 5.
10 raised to 5.
Negative
You will
5.
get 10 raised to negative
10
5.
raised to negative 5.
Negative 5.
You got it? How it is? This is how. Okay, another example I will give you. 1 to the power of 10 to the power of minus 9 or 10 raised to minus 9. 1 divided by 10 raised to minus 9. Give me the
10
answer.
raised to 9.
10 raised to 9. Now clear to you? Okay.
ma'am.
So physics, if there is powers of 10 like that. Suppose 5,000. 5,000 it's given. We will write 5 into 10 to the power of 3. Correct only, no? 5
Yeah.
into 1,000 and 5
Yeah.
into 10 to the power of 3. This is correct only.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Similarly,
Yes.
you have this many zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, tell me the value 5 into?
You need that machine.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 into 10 to the
7.
power of 7. So then we will write meter or centimeter or kilometer depend upon it.
50 raised
Okay.
to 7.
I am teaching you that in physics sometimes we will get this kind of big numbers.
Yes.
And instead of going on multiplying with 0, 0, 0, 0, this is the thing with what we do. So we make into the raised to power. If it is in the denominator, we take into the numerator and multiply. So if it is positive in the denominator, it become negative. If it is negative in the denominator, it turn into positive. Okay?
You.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
on the basis, I am going to give you a problem on pressure. Yeah? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope it's clear to you. Now you
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
make
Yes,
mistake,
ma'am.
okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
A force of
Force.
1200 Newton, a force of 1200 Newton acts on the surface of area 10 centimeter square. Okay. On the surface area 10 centimeter square
Finish.
normally. That means it is acting perpendicularly. What would be the pressure? What would be the pressure on the
Pressure.
surface? So we have to apply the previous one. Why? Because our pressure, we have to write the answer in meter square. We cannot write the answer Newton per centimeter square because both are two different system, different units. Okay. So our SI unit system means meter. Okay. Centimeter is not an international standard units. It's a small units. You have to convert it into that. Okay. So, what is the pressure formula, children?
Pressure
Is
force
equal
by
to?
area. Force by area.
Area.
Force by area.
Force by
That
area.
means 1200. 10 centimeter square means 10 centimeter equal to 10 centimeter is equal to how much? You have to find out. How much meter first? 1 centimeter you got 1 by 100 meter, correct? So 10
ma'am.
centimeter will be how much?
1000 centimeter.
1000 ആരാ പറഞ്ഞേ?
10 by 100.
10 by 100. 10 by 100. What become now? 1 by 0, yeah?
1 by 10.
1 by 10.
1 by 10.
1 by 10 means take this numerator, what become?
Negative 10.
Negative 10.
Negative 10 അല്ല, 10 to the power of minus 1. Negative 10 അല്ല.
Negative 1.
Negative 1 because 1 power only. Okay. So 10 centimeters get to 10 to the power of minus 1 meter. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can write that here. So 10 to the power of minus 1, it's a centimeter square. In our problem, it is centimeter square. So you have to square it. So what we did? First we converted 10 centimeter into meter in terms of raised to power. Then we have to square it. Now you already learned in indexes. A to the power of m2 raised to n. What is this answer? A raised to m raised to n.
A raised to
A.
n.
A raised to m into n.
M into M plus
The
N.
10 to the power of minus 1 square norm എന്തായിട്ട് മാറും? What will it become?
10 raised to minus 1
correct.
Raised to minus 1.
Yeah, 1 to 100 by 10 to the power of minus 2. So, this is how we convert it. Finally, what is the next step? How do we do that? We take power 10 to raise to on numerator. So, pressure is equal to 1200 into 10 to the power of minus or plus when you take it up.
positive.
Correct. 10 square. Therefore, finally,
Square.
you are getting this answer, or you can write 12 into 10 to the power of 4 Pascal. Because 12, 1200 also we can write 12 into 10 square. 10 square into 10 square become 10 to the power of 4.
1,20,000.
1 lakh. Oh. Okay. Correct. 1,20,000. So instead of making big number, you can stop the answer like this also. Take this, here also 12 into 100 is 1,200. Take that 10, finally you are getting 10 to the power of 4. Even you stop here, no problem. You will get the marks. So physics like that. But maths you have to write it digits. But in physics, you have to write the digits. This way we can write it powers of 10 like this, and then you can write the unit.
Don't put like these questions.
Huh? Are you all okay with this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah. So I'll give you one more problem. One more problem, there is time. So that you will be thorough with this centimeter converting into meter and all that.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Now I don't say anything. I'll give you the question, you do by yourself. Okay? Yeah. Question number 3. An elephant weighs means its mass. Okay, weighs 20,000 Newton. You know, elephant is a huge animal, so it might have this much for weight. Okay, 20,000 Newton. But what's the problem with the elephant? He walks with a small foot. Okay. Stands on 1 foot of area. He's standing only on with 1 foot, not 4 foot. Okay. On 1 foot of area, 1,000 centimeter square. How much pressure? How much pressure?
He will fall down, no, ma'am.
He will not fall. He must be in the circus. You have
yeah.
seen the elephants are standing in the circus.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose it is mentioned
Not easy.
an elephant is standing on foot or on his feet or its feet. Then you have to multiply 4 into 1,000. But here we only have to consider 1 foot. Okay. So he might be a circus elephant. Okay. See, some problem and the logic is like that. Now, my dear, you do by yourself. Okay. First step, 1,000 converted into that. Do as a homework. I am winding up the session now. It's going to be 5 o'clock.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
I want the answer. Don't forget
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
come. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I stop the share or some are
Yes,
still writing?
of course.
Of course. So happy today.
So sad.
Not so hard today physics, ma'am. So I am happy. Okay, Saline, you can have tea now.
I will not drink
I
tea.
also will.
Then
Ma'am,
you will
coffee
have at
only, ma'am.
8
I don't
o'clock.
like tea.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we are drinking only coffee.
Okay then. That I want to have tea. Bye bye.
You drink tea, ma'am.
Yeah, I am going to have. But I have
Ma'am,
to
I
go
will
home.
buy and give you boost.
Boost. Yeah, that I require. But I like Horlicks, not the boost. You buy Horlicks for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.